Welcome, beautiful people, future me. I'm doing this for you, and welcome to my another round of programming workout. It is round number 7 of this stream, and we will do 5 minutes of typing exercise and 25 minutes of Java application development this time. That's what we are doing. React is good if you want to work at US-based companies, at least that are like, yeah, it seems like. But my last company was US-based, and they were using Angular. They were using Angular JS, and they were trying to migrate it to Angular, which was pain in the ass. But let's do the typing. I do track my progress in a typing in an application which I wrote, and it says that I'm getting better and better because my error rate is decreasing and my typing speed is increasing. So that's good, right? Let's get into it. Start the timer, type. I like it. Yeah, I wanted to, write something which will kind of track my progress, so I would know if I improve on it. Oh, come on. Come on! What are you doing? Oh, I'm pressing the different key. That's what I'm doing. You still don't touch typing in business school. We had some similar problems with random words instead of code. Yeah, so I like this one because of the special characters. Also, most of the keyboard layouts are crap for programming. Crap. Like every single character is on pinky and you have to use shift to do so. So you are stretching your pinky in one direction and the other pinky in the other direction. Not pleasant. It's okay if you do it like 3 times in your lifetime as a normal typer. But if it's like the half of the things you type, dude, you have a problem. You have a real problem. You have a carpet problem. Looks at hovers that's covered in bandage due to carpet. Oh shit. Really? I'm sorry. Yeah, that's also how I went into like these different keyboards and so on. Is it? What I like about these, like, which I have right now, is that it uses switches which are really light to actuate. So normal keyboard needs like between 50 and 70 grams of force to actuate, and this is for like 12 grams to actuate. And it's weird at the beginning, but it's really comfortable after. Well, for me, that is. Okay, so we will enter. Oh fuck, what just happened? Okay, so we will enter our next thing. 10% error rate and 31 BPM. And you see, like, okay, so this is worse than my average, like every average. So we did a little bit worse, but the main thing is to stick with it and do it. And this concludes our typing session. So we'll proceed to do Java. Java it will be right now. So oh, 12, 20. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I do it all the time, so it's kind of... And the main thing which is important to me is the error rate, not the BPM. And you can see, you know, like my personal best is like with a 33 BPM, but as you can see, I did with more words per minute, so don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Okay, so I don't need this. Also, I will bring to your attention that we have a new channel points reward here on the channel, and that is to change the IDE background, which is here in the IntelliJ. This has been set by the last one has been set by Swarm Collective today, and yeah, and it will stay there for 24 hours at least, unless someone else will change it. So now currently we have this, and it has to be... There's one regulation, and that should be a picture for which I will not be banned here on Twitch. Okay, so we have the stopwatch thingy, and I don't even know what I wanted to do in here, so I will have a look in my project. And so far, just for the newcomers, it looks like this. I have this stopwatch. Basically, I want to replace this, which is not programmed by me. And I can switch there, say, for example, it will be 1 hour, 22 seconds, 33 minutes. And notice that it is not in order. I wrote a parser for that, and now I have that, you know, and I can start it, and it goes. Here we go. Here we go. We can resize it, but currently what I programmed is the positioning of the text to the center, not the change of the size of the font, which maybe we can do. Yeah. There's one bug which I don't, well, one feature, and that is if I set something like 10 seconds, you know, like, and I go back in here, the window to type kind of shrinks to the size of the text, right? and it doesn't expand if I input something long. So yep. So I will start the timer. We'll have a look what is next. So change the font size. No, where was it? Blinking on finishing countdown. Yeah, so we will do this. The size of input should be as big as possible. Okay, so let's try to do that. You don't have to be this big. And we will go to the GUI, and here is somewhere the text field that is here, and we will just try to do text field dot set columns, horizontal, auto scroll, alignment. Minimum size, dimension, okay. So yeah, sure, Judah. If we don't talk to each other, which might happen, it was really nice to have you here. Okay, so we'll set the minimum to something, and it wants dimension. And we say we create new dimension that, and it wants, what is the constructor? Width and height, right? So we will provide in width, GUI width and GUI height, and see how this works. Dimension, and then we will insert it in here, dimension, and yeah, let's just see how that works. So I will run the application. This background is also not bad. And here we will say 10 seconds. Okay. Now if I switch back, it's fucked up. Okay. So this did not work. So what else can we do? Text field dot set columns. What this does? Of columns in the text field, and then invalidate the layout. So okay, so maybe I can read the columns on it, or just yellow it, and let's say it will be 10. Then this doesn't do anything, and we will run it again and see how it works. Oh, here we go. So 10 seconds, go. Okay, so now we achieved that the columns is the thing which we worry about here. Maybe The dimension doesn't do shit. Okay. What about the Google says about this? Or if you want the line width to be entire width of the parent panel, you need to use appropriate layout. Maybe the north of a border layout. Ah, I see. That's how you do it. But okay, so the text field will be north. And okay, so and then I don't need this. Maybe we'll run it. It fucking works, which is nice. Okay, so that one is done. Change the font size based on a window frame. You can do that. And that will be... So it doesn't change right now if I do it by the shortcuts, which is the only way how to do it right now. So in here we want to update the size, which is done. What was the key? Okay, so first of all we'll kill this. Then we had something that was the 8 degrees and increase, and both of the we have GUI update size. All of those, call that frame set size, and we should adjust the size of the font. Right, so there somewhere will be font, font. Okay, so there's a height. Okay, so okay, so we'll yank this, or well, we will yank those two. Like so, and we will create a method which will be private void update font takes nothing, and here we'll paste the shit, and Yeah, and this guy over here should be it was shift tabulator, right? It doesn't work. So alt tabulate. Oh, alt. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What happened? So alt F. Hey, Doctor. How are you? Nice to see you again. You are here, right? I'm not hallucinating, right? We talked before. We are the best friends, right? We are buddies. Live together all time. Oh. This will be final. And what is the var? I don't want var. Okay. What the hell? What the hell? This final enter. Yeah, it will not be we at all. And this will be yeah, it's IntelliJ. It's IntelliJ, and you can change my background. That's the new reward here on the channel. You can change the IDE background for redeeming your points. And currently the swarm changed it to this clock, which makes me dizzy sometimes. It has to be safe for work, well, safe for Twitch. If you post something which I will be banned for, I will not change it, but otherwise you can whatever. For your IDE, yeah, do it. So I didn't like this. This will be font scaling factor, and now up you go somewhere in here. Okay, and that now we will replace which is this, then this guy s equal 0.6 with font scaling factor. We want globally, and you will ask go, not yes, and that's it. Okay, cool. So that should work. And now here on the GUI update size, we should update font as well. So this well, we don't need this. Update font. Yeah. And now if we run our application, and you see it doesn't work at all. The fuck? Why? Okay, so in update font we Okay, so I will extract you for the debugging purposes. This will be a new font size. Here we go, and we will say south update font setting font size to and here we will say font, no new font size, this thing we want. Okay, good. Now I run it and I will know what is happening in there. Yeah, so the holy shit, why the fuck it doesn't work? Okay, so maybe I did set it up separately on the label. Is that what happens? Is that what happened? Label and like so. Okay, label. We are setting this, then center layout, set font. Oh, we did on a label. We did it on a label. Okay. That's all right. Don't panic. Don't panic. Whoa! No panic. Now is the time to panic. Okay. So I want to look at, where did I, here, the frame, and I want to put it on the label dot set font. We'll put in the font, and maybe now it will work. And this probably does not do shit, I think. Okay, now we can run it. And here we go. Here we go. Isn't that beautiful? I did it myself. Okay, so we can, okay, so this also needs to change the size of the font. So let's say 10 seconds, go, start. It works, let's see. Genius. Okay, so we have that. So we just set that we want set on the text field as well, right? Text field does set font like so, and this probably doesn't do anything. Run. Works. Beautiful. Wonderful. You can see the time. You can see shit. Oh, it's still visible, huh? No? Now you can read it? Now you can read it? Huh? Still you can read it? What about now? What about now? What about, huh? I cannot read it. Okay, beautiful. So we did fix this, but I also find out that some doesn't make sense. So this is set font. That is not this. This on a frame, setting the font doesn't make sense. Text field label does make sense. Yeah, so that's it. Okay, cool. No. We will try it again if that works. Okay. Second. Yeah, so that works. It works. Okay. Let's quit. And we did complete this. We will do commit. I say commit, we do. No? What's wrong? Why it doesn't want to? No way, I don't have the git in here at all. Ho ho ho. No way, okay. So git init or VCS. No? Also no? Create git repository and a stopwatch, but okay. So cancel, hold your horses. This will not be called stopwatch. We need to change all of shit here. So this will be timer. Okay. Stopwatch time. Okay. Fuck. Undo maybe. Undo renaming module. Yes. Okay, so how do we approach this? So first we can change this without timer factor. Cool. Then this we will change, but I will kill this. Bye. Yes. Now we will go to the project structure and def. Now projects. Yeah, and this guy over here will be timer. Okay, so now I can open the IntelliJ. I say I can open the IntelliJ. Okay, it's starting up. And we will open. Come on. Yes, this. Good. Okay, very good. Now I'll rename the module. So go here. I say go here. X timer. Good. What do we have here? Timer, time manager. Okay, so we have those. No. We will create a VCS. VCS. Or it was git create git repository, and it will be the timer. Yes, please. Cool. Now we will add all of those. Cool. Oh, that's nice color, isn't it? I like the color. Okay, so still, what else? Out we don't have in there, but we can do the commit now. And my timer is not running again. What the fuck? I stopped it. Okay. Shall comment shall not be this big. That's what we have, and contain problems, errors, 13 warnings. Seriously? Duplicate. Yes. Because that is a fucking regex expression. I need it there. What's your problem? Switch statement could be replaced with enhanced switch. What is enhanced switch? Replace with enhanced switch. Ah, interesting. I like that. That's more readable. This is pretty nice. This is pretty nice. Okay. So what is here? It's never thrown. Yeah, so in that case we do this. Why? What about this? It's redundant. Okay. No. A statement cannot complete without throwing an exception. Only probably busy waiting. Okay, what should I do with it? about this guy? Hey, Swarm. Your background is still alive and kicking. Welcome back. I switched back to Java and I continue into development of the stopwatch. Not yet, but I'm sure it will happen. It will happen one day. Just commit, and after that we will say git share project on GitHub. Timer, yes, why not? Private, no. Remote origin. Share by share. Oh, come on. Which token? Yes. What the fuck? Share. Pushing. Yeah, sure. Do you know? Yeah, well, you also should know like my key bindings then. Which, oh, well, theoretically you could do that. Well, first of all, not everything was recorded. You know, like this hand is not in the picture entirely. Second, you have to decode it because well, yeah, you would have to know my layout as well, my special layout. But that is actually a good point. Yeah. You're right. That's a good point. It's actually a good point. It's actually a very good point. And thank you. Yeah. That's right. I will put it into the to-do list. Where did I put it? I don't know, so it will be and here we will create privacy screen. Yep. And projects. Okay, so this is kind of done, right? Blinking on finishing the countdown. Yeah, why not? I will do it. I don't know where the lights. I don't know where it is. Did I throw it out? I don't think so. Oh yeah, I still have that piece of crap.
Gold. And you know, that's part of the
Yeah, but then no one would like, oh, well, I don't know. Yeah, it's like really bad, like 5 minutes of that. I don't know. What would be the, okay, that. New custom. I wonder how that would look like. Well, anyway, this concludes this round. I'll stop the timer.